two equal rectangles have area 10 each. What is the area of the blue region? Solution. Denote area of the green rectangle as A. It is made of yellow triangle and two rectangles of area 10. Area of the yellow triangle is equal to two pink triangles. So A is equal to pink plus 10 plus 10. The area of the blue region is equal half of the A minus pink area. Half of the A is pink plus 10 minus pink. The answer is 10.